What is chromatography? Chromatography is a separational technique used in chemistry in which you pass a solution through a medium that allows the different components to travel at different rates based on the strengths of their intermolecular forces. The two types of chromatography that we will be going over in this video are paper and column. In paper chromatography, you take a dye mixture and put it at the bottom of a chromatography strip. This is the stationary phase. Next, you place the paper in a small amount of solvent and allow it to run through the strip using capillary action. This is the mobile phase. The colored solution separates into individual solutes, which are the different dyes that we see here. How far each individual dye travels is based on how attracted it is to the paper versus the solvent. If a certain solute is bonded strongly to the solvent, it will travel farther before breaking off from the solvent front. Based on the distance the different solutes travel, you can determine their relative polarities and bond strengths. Similar to paper chromatography, the individual components of a mixture in column chromatography separate based on their polarities. When the purple dye mixture, or Kool-Aid, is forced through the nonpolar C18 column, a colorless liquid came out and the nonpolar red and blue dyes stayed in the column. The red dye was more nonpolar than the colorless liquid, but less nonpolar than the blue dye, so it was eluted from the column next, with the 5% isopropyl alcohol being pushed through. Because the blue dye was more nonpolar, it was very attracted to the column and was only released when the 25% isopropyl alcohol was pushed through, which is also very nonpolar. Now we know that chromatography is a separational technique where individual components of a solution or mixture pass through a medium and travel at different rates because of their intermolecular forces. Thank you so much for watching.